We are going to use Autodesk 2015 to make a simple slide as part of a playground project. We open up a new part file here, and we're going to start by just making a little sketch. Pick a work plane, and I want to draw a curvy line just that will trace out the path of my slide from the top to the bottom. I think I'm going to choose the spline and then just draw a nice curvy line. Maybe I can zoom out a little bit. If you have a particular length you want this slide to be from top to bottom, I could also put a line to the side, make a vertical line, give it a dimension, and then I know exactly how tall my slide would be. But in this case, I just want to show you the basics of how to make a slide using the spline tool, and we're going to make use the copy tool as well. So I have a good outline. This slide will start at the top, go down. I can click on my line, click copy. Then if I right click, it'll ask if I want to continue this copy process. I'm going to click continue. Now when I click on my line, I can drop it wherever I'd like, and it should make an exact copy of that line. If I want to make 3 or 4 copies of my line, I can continue clicking. All I need is one, so I'm going to say I'm done. I need to join the open ends on the top and bottom of the slide, so I'm going to use a regular line tool to do that. Connect the top, connect the bottom, and then I'm done with my sketch. Click the big green check mark, finish sketch, and I'm going to extrude this shape however wide I want my slide to be. So I'm just going to drag it to what looks like a good distance and say OK. It kind of looks like a slide, but if we want to make little guardrails on the side, one last nice little feature is that we can use a shell tool and click on the top of the slide, and it'll give us the guardrails on the outside. We still notice that on the top and the bottom, we're going to have to get rid of those if you really want to. If you want to leave them, that's fine. If I want to get rid of the top and the bottom guide rails, I can do that by zooming in, clicking on the top, and drawing a sketch on the top of my slide and the bottom of my slide by using a rectangle to trace out the shape that's left behind. Autodesk 2015 shows me the hidden lines, so I can just draw a line across. There I am. I'll just make it to about here. If I extrude that through, should make a nice opening on the top of the slide. Let's take a look. And I think I still have a little bar there. I could make it a little bit bigger and take this away. But overall, there we go. That's a simple slide.